Dear students, welcome to Mathematics Online classes. We are solving exercise 8.1. First exercise in the chapter application of integrals. See, here first problem and second problem you see both are same one, only changes with the curve and the lines. Y square is equal to x is given in the first problem and the line x is equal to 1. Only that difference is there. So first problem is very simple compared to the second problem. As both are similar problems, I am leaving that first problem to you only. Second problem I am solving here. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 9x. Let us draw the graph of that. Y square is equal to 9x is like y square is equal to 4ax, line symmetric with respect to the x-axis. Line symmetric with respect to the not the line, parabola symmetric with respect to the x-axis we will get. This is what? This is y square is equal to 9x. Then what is y is equal to? Y is equal to square root of 9x means 3 into root x. Y is equal to 3 into root x. And the line x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 will be the line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point 2, 0, and x is equal to 4 will be the line parallel to the y-axis and passing through the point 4, 0. Find the area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 9x. Okay, y square is equal to 9x. The lines x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, and the x-axis in the first quadrant. Okay, in the first quadrant, in the sense we need to find out only this area. Only this area we need to find out. No need to take it 2 times, 4 times like that. With respect to x-axis, I am considering, so dx comes. If dx is there, what is the area? Area A is equal to integration of y with respect to x it is. That's all. Okay, what is y here? Y is a function in terms of x. That is 3 into root x is given. From where to where I have to integrate? From the line x is equal to 2 to x is equal to 4. So lower limit will be 2, upper limit will be 4. Yes, y into dx. Integrating from 2 to 4, what is y? Y is 3 into root x. 3 is a constant multiple. I will write out of the integral. Integration of root x with respect to x from 2 to 4 is a problem here. Very simple one. Let us integrate it. 3 into integration of root x. Write it as x raised to 1 by 2 from 2 to 4 into dx. 3 into integration of x raised to 1 by 2 is x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 from 2 to 4. 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 is nothing but into 2 by 3 from 2 to 4. Okay, this is equal to 3 into, means area A is equal to 3 into this 2 by 3 we can write outside because it is a constant one. 2 by 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 from 2 to 4. 3 get cancels out 2 times. Substituting the upper limit 4 to the power of 3 by 2 minus substituting the lower limit 2 to the power of 3 by 2. 2 into this 4 to the power of 3 by 2. 4 you write 2 square. 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus here 2 to the power of 3 by 2 is there now. This can be written as 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2. 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2 means it is like a raised to m into a raised to n. Nothing but a raised to m plus n. See, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Here 2 to get cancels out. 2 times 2 cube minus 2 into this 2 to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as root 2. 2 into root 2. 2. What is common from these two? From these two, 2 is common. Take it out. 2 into 2 square minus root 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 4 minus root 2 square units is the answer here. From both, root 2 is common. You can take it out if you want. Otherwise, you can leave the answer here itself. This is what area bounded by the curve and the lines. Now, we will take the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is question number 3. Find the area of the region. Find the area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 4y, x square is equal to 4y, comma y is equal to 2, comma y is equal to 4, and the y axis in the first quadrant. Okay. Now find the area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 4y. Draw the graph of this. X square is equal to 4y is a parabola symmetric with respect to y axis. So this is how it will be. This is x square is equal to 4y. Next, y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 is a line parallel to x axis and passing through the point 0, 2. So here will be y is equal to 2. Where will the y equal to 4? In the same way we can draw the line y is equal to 4 here. The y axis in the first quadrant. See, area bounded by x square is equal to 4ay, y equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and y axis in the sense this area I have to find out here. So here what I do, let us go with the horizontal strips here. I will consider horizontal strips. So dy comes here. Dy comes. Now what is area is equal to? Area A is equal to, from where to where? Dy is there, no? Dy means x into dy will come. X into dy. Here you should write the line, curve x is equal to g of y form. This become x is equal to square root of 4y, means 2 into root y. X is equal to 2 into root y it is. Then from where to where we need to integrate? Dy is considered, so first line is y is equal to 2, lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. So 2 to 4. In the first quadrant they asked only this area we need to find out here. So it is single time only. Next, x is equal to root 2 into root y. That is 2 to 4, 2 into root y. 2 you write out of the integral, root y into dy. It is area A is equal to 2 times integrating from 2 to 4, root y is nothing but y to the power of 1 by 2 into dy. Write it. 2 into y to the power of 1 by 2 integration y to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 from 2 to 4. 2 into y to the power of 3 by 2 it is, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, by 3 by 2 will be there. By 3 by 2 is nothing but into 2 by 3, constant value you write it outside. From 2 to 4. 2 into 2, 4 by 3 it is, 4 by 3, substituting the upper limit 4 to the power of 3 by 2 minus substituting the lower limit 2 to the power of 3 by 2. 4 by 3 outside, 4 to the power of 3 by 2, 4 you write it as 2 square. 2 square to the power of 3 by 2 minus of this 2 to the power of 3 by 2 is there, no? Write it as 2 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2. A to the power of m into a to the power n formula, that is equal to a to the power of m plus n. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Okay. Here 2 get cancels out. 4 by 3 into 2 cube 8 minus of 2 into root 2. You can take 2 common and you write it. Otherwise, you multiply this 4 by 3. Area is equal to area is equal to 4 by 3 I am multiplying 4 into 8 32 minus of 2 into 4 is 8 8 into root 2 divided by 3 square units is the area bounded here. This is about problem number 3 in the exercise 8.1. See, some of you are saying like you don't have the NCERT textbooks. Anyhow, mobiles are available with you. In that mobile, internet is there to watch our videos. Download the NCERT textbook. It is freely available in the internet. Freely available. Many apps are there for textbooks, NCERT textbooks. No need to go with the apps. That's some advertisement that irritates us. So better what you do, you download a PDF there. NCERT textbook, class 12, mathematics PDF. Like that you type. Freely available it is. You download it if you don't have the textbook. If you have the textbook, better to use a textbook. Next, in the exercise 8.1, question number 4 and 5 you observe. 4 and 5 both are similar problems. In that, fourth problem I am leaving it to you. Fifth problem I am solving here. Problem number 5 is find the area of the region. Find the area of the region. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. Bounded by the ellipse. X square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. X square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, this is area bounded by ellipse. I hope you know the formula of area of ellipse, that is pi AB. Here what is the A value? A value is 2, B value is 3. Okay, what should be the area if you find out here? Pi AB. Pi into 2 into 3 means 6 pi should be your answer here. Okay, let us see we will get 6 pi or not. Okay, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. X square by 4, y square by 9. If we compare this expression with x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, a square is equal to 4 means a is equal to 2, b square is equal to 9 means b is equal to 3. A value is shorter, you know, a value is smaller compared to the b value. So this is a ellipse. This is a ellipse where major axis is along the y axis. So graph takes the form like this. Graph will be like this. Next, a is equal to 2. This length is what? This length is 2 units length from the y axis. Here this point will be 2 comma 0. As this is 2 comma 0, if I draw a line here, you should write it clearly, a parallel line parallel to the y axis passing through the point at 2 comma 0. This is what x is equal to 2 will be. This is y axis means x is equal to 0. And along which curve we are integrating? We will find out only this area. We will find out this area and we take 4 times here. 4 times we take, because curve is symmetric with respect to the x axis and y axis. Dx is there, you know. As dx is there, area A is equal to integration of y with respect to x here. Y dx will come. Fine. What is y? Y is the curve here. Along which curve we are integrating? X square by 4, x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. You separate for y here. That is, let me write it here. Y square by 9 is equal to 1 minus of x square by 4. This is 4 minus x square by 4. What is this? Y square by 9 is equal to, y square is equal to 9 will come to the numerator, 9 by 4 into 4 minus of x square. y square is equal to, taking square root, 9 by 4 into 4 minus of x square. 9 by 4 nothing but 3 by 2 into square root of 4 can be written as 2 square. This is 2 square minus x square. Y is equal to 3 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus x square. Here I have the curve as y is equal to 3 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus x square. Okay, fine. I got that y. Now from where to where we need to integrate? Area is starting from the line x is equal to 0. Lower limit is 0. Upper limit is up to the line x is equal to 2. So upper limit is 2. Okay. And then one more thing. Find the area of the region bounded by ellipse. By ellipse, how much area? This whole area. 4 times of this area we will take. So let us write here 4. If it is mentioned like only in the first quadrant, don't write it 4. Okay. Outside of 4 as it is. Integrating from 0 to 2. Y into dx. What is y? Y is 3 by 2 into this much. 3 by 2 is a constant multiple, you know. I will write out of the integral. 3 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus x square into dx. Here 2 ones are 2, 2s. This is 6 into integration of 2 square root of 2 square minus x square from 0 to 2. Now here you use the integral using integration of square root of a square minus x square with respect to x. What is its integral? Its integral is x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c it is. We have area A is equal to 6 into here square root of 2 square minus x square. In place of A, what is there? 2 is there. This is x by 2 into square root of 2 square minus x square plus of A square means 2 square. 2 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by 2. From 0 to 2 we need to integrate. 6 into, substituting the upper limit, 2 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus 2 square. 2 square minus 2 square 0. 0 plus here 1 time 2 get cancels. 2 into sine inverse of 2 by 2 is 1. Minus of substituting the lower limit, 0 into anything 0 plus of 2 into sine inverse of 0. 2 into sine inverse of 0. 6 times 2 into, what is sine inverse of 1? Sine inverse of 1 is 90 degree, that is pi by 2, minus of this is 0. Sine inverse of 0 is 0. So this is 6 into 2 pi by 2. 2 to get cancels out. What I have? I have 6 pi. 6 pi square units. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Because area of ellipse formula is a pi AB. Pi AB. Pi into 2 into 3, 6 pi square units. We got it correctly. In the same way, you verify your result in the question number 4 also, then you try to get it. Now we will move on to the next problem, that is problem number 6. Problem number 6 is find the area of the region. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, enclosed by x-axis. Enclosed by x-axis comma line x is equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Yes, now area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x axis and the line. Let us draw the line and the circle here. Y axis, x axis. Line is x is equal to root 3y. X is equal to root 3y will be a linear equation, so its graph will be a straight line. X is equal to root 3y. If you take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. This is 0 comma 0. And we can take one more point. Let us take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by root 3 it will be. That point will be 1 comma 1 by root 3. Somewhere here this will be, graph will be like this. This is what? This is x is equal to root 3y or y is equal to 1 by root 3 into x. Okay. And the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. X square plus y square is equal to 4 means this is x square plus y square is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. This is y square is equal to 2 square minus x square. Then y is equal to square root of 2 square minus x square is our curve. X square plus y square is equal to 2 square. What is our radius? Radius is 2 units. So let us draw the graph of the circle. We have this as circle. Which point is this? This is at a distance of 2 units from the origin. Here it is the point 2 comma 0. Line passing through the point 2 comma 0 and parallel to y axis will be x is equal to 2. Now find the area in the first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant enclosed by x axis. The line x is equal to root 3y, x axis line root 3 equal to x is equal to root 3y, and the circle means which area I have to find out? This one. The area I am shading, that area we need to find out. See, I have considered vertical strips here, dx will come. Now area A is equal to integration of y dx. See, y dx, is this bounded by the single curve here? No, it is not bounded by the single curve. Up to here you see it is bounded by the line, means the line x is equal to root 3y. From here to here it is bounded by this circle. So circle equation is y is equal to square root of 2 square minus x square. This is the first curve. Let us take this as y1 here. X is equal to root 3y means y is equal to 1 by root 3 into x. Let us take this as y1 and this as a y2. This circle as a y2. First of all, I will integrate along the y1, means along this line I will integrate. This gives us complete this area plus of area bounded by the circle we will take. So plus of, again for that one also vertical strips is there, plus of y dx. Y, to avoid that confusion, what we write? Here y1, here y2 we will write. Y1 is the line, this area it gives us from where to where? From the y axis, means x is equal to 0 to which line is this? This line is a point of intersection of x is equal to root 3y and x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. So what you do? Let us solve that. I will write it here. To solve y is equal to 1 by root 3 into x and x square plus y square is equal to 2 square or 4. Y is equal to 1 by root 3 into x is there, no? Substitute here. This is x square plus 1 by root 3 into x whole square equal to 4. X square plus x square by 3 it is. Root 3 square means 3 equal to 4. Yes, if you cross multiply 3x square plus x square by 3 is equal to 4. This is 4x square by 3 is equal to 4. 4 get cancelled. X square is equal to 3. X square is equal to 3 means x is equal to root 3. This point is root 3 comma something. this point is root 3 comma something, so this is root 3 comma 0 and the line will be x is equal to root 3. Okay. Area bounded by the line, I have to integrate from 0 to root 3, lower limit is 0, upper limit is root 3, and then that second one is bounded by the circle from the line x is equal to root 3 to 2, lower limit is root 3, upper limit is 2, y2 into dx. Now here integrating from 0 to root 3, y1 is what? This is 1 by root 3 into x. 1 by root 3 is constant multiple, right outside, x into dx. Next, root 3 to 2, second one is the square root of 2 square minus x square. This is square root of 2 square minus x square into dx. How will you integrate first one? It's direct integration. Second one integration, you use the formula using integration of square root of a square minus x square with respect to x is equal to x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. Area is equal to 1 by root 3 into integration of x is x square by 2 from 0 to root 3 plus of this integration x by 2 into square root of 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2 means 2 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, that is x by 2 from root 3 to 2. Area is equal to 1 by root 3 into substituting the upper limit root 3 square by 2 minus 0 plus of substituting the upper limit here 2 if you substitute 2 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus 2 square, that is 0 plus of here 1 time 2 to get cancelled, 2 into sine inverse of 2 by 2 is sine inverse of 1 minus of substituting the lower limit root 3, this is root 3 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus root 3 square plus of 2 into sine inverse of x is root 3, this is root 3 by 2. Okay. 1 by root 3 into here a square to get cancelled, 3 by 2 plus of 2 into sine inverse of 1 is 90 degree, pi by 2 minus of root 3 by 2 into square root of 2 square is 4, square get cancelled, 4 minus 3 plus 2 into sine inverse of root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So sine inverse of root 3 by 2 is 60 degree, that is pi by 3. Okay. This is once again you see here root 3 is there, 3 is there. This can be written as root 3 into root 3. One time root 3 get cancelled, root 3 by 2 plus 2 to get cancelled, pi minus of, minus will get multiplied with these two, minus into plus, minus root 3 by 2 into square root of 4 minus 3, square root of 1 that is 1, minus into plus that is minus 2 pi by 3. Okay. This is root 3 by 2 plus anywhere plus is there, no changes, pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3, minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 get cancelled, pi minus of 2 pi by 3. If you simplify, this is 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3, nothing but pi by 3 square units. So area bounded by the line x is equal to root 3y, x axis, and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 is pi by 3 square units. Thank you. Remaining problems we will solve in the next class.